Well, folks, hopefully you didn't hear too much of that. The Monday at noon Wichita siren went off for about 3 minutes here, and that's got to be the siren for the whole city. And it just happens to be in the ballpark on one of the light poles here, and that was just something you get when you play the Monday at noon game here in Wichita, and that was not a pleasant sound. So Stewart will be hitting. And the new pitcher will be Gary Amato to face him. That might be the Quinn Stewart's up to bat alarm, warning the opposing team that this guy can hit a little bit.